Now, the Tennessee Valley's certified most accurate forecast from the Fox 54 Weather Impact Team.
I will say Athens is beautiful during the entire year, but I really love how it kind of lights up during the holiday season.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Athens is one of those that you think about Christmas time and you think about Athens because they just have the most spectacular Christmas lights.
And it really has like a real homey feel.
Yeah.
I love going to the Athens Square. So nice and so intimate community atmosphere there.
Well, one thing that's not nice is the weather on Tuesday. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're experiencing right now. We've got one more dry day ahead of us tomorrow, and then heading into late tomorrow night into pretty much all of the day on Tuesday. All of this rain that you see right off to the west is going to be heading in our direction. What's going to happen is we've got a warm front that's going to lift to the north, and it's going to kind of interfere with a cold front that we've got off to the west. So we're going to have to watch for the potential for a few stronger to severe thunderstorms, but I'll get to that in just a moment. For the rest of tonight, we'll be sitting in the mid-40s. A little bit of patchy fog could develop through the overnight tonight, but it's not expected to be a widespread issue. And then we'll warm back into the low 70s for the afternoon tomorrow. Some of us could stay in the upper 60s, but all of us are expected to sit under a partly cloudy sky. And I mentioned no rain in the forecast, but watch what happens heading into next week. Once that cold front moves through, it's going to bring in some much cooler and drier air. And notice Thanksgiving. High temperature on Thanksgiving only expected to be right around 50 degrees. So some of us might not even make it out of the upper 40s. So it is going to be a chilly one heading into the holiday. Now, rain chances are really only a problem heading into Tuesday in the early morning hours of Wednesday. Wednesday, heading into the afternoon, looks like it's going to be dry, and then we're not expected to see rain until we head into about this time next week once we get past Tuesday. So I mentioned earlier we do have a marginal risk for a few stronger to severe storms to develop heading into Tuesday, and that really just includes the entire Tennessee Valley, so level 1 out of 5. Not anything to be overly concerned about, but just enough concern to bring it to your attention. So Tuesday morning, early Tuesday morning is when the majority of this rain is expected to move through, and there comes that cold front heading into Tuesday, later Tuesday morning, but we won't feel the cold air from this until we get to Wednesday and Thursday. But back behind it, we could have some secondary development of rain and a few thunderstorms. So pretty much throughout the entire day on Tuesday, just be prepared. We might have a few stronger to severe thunderstorms develop, and what I mean by that is some damaging wind gusts, maybe some small hail. And we'll also have to watch for a flooding issue because rain accumulation for the next 7 days, with the majority of this falling on Tuesday, could be anywhere from potentially 4 to 7 inches of accumulation in some locations across the Tennessee Valley. Now, I mentioned earlier, Thanksgiving is going to be a pretty chilly one. We'll be waking up to the upper 30s, only making it to the upper 40s, lower 50s for the afternoon, but we're still going to be seeing plenty of sunshine. Your 7-day forecast, we will see one more day, well, 2 more days in the low 70s. Temperatures drop heading into Thanksgiving, looking ahead into Black Friday. We'll start the day off pretty cold by this time next week. That's going to be our next best chance for rain.